Come on, Pat.
Oh my goodness.
Will you pick him up?
I'll try. Okay, come on, big kitty. Come on, big kitty. There you go.
He's up. Patch, are you sad?
I don't like this.
Don't.
She's like a dog. Rub my belly, please. Rub my belly. Oh my gosh, it's hilarious.
It just doesn't move.
Yes, you need to just get her wet and she can mop your floor.
She's gonna chase it.
That is so odd.
So we got this cat on a leash. He doesn't like it too much, just being dragged around, refuses to walk.
There are treatment options. Ask your doctor if once a day Latuda, Racidone HCl, may help you.
Come on, Kermit.
Just
That
dragging
was
him
so
around.
funny. He has to get used to it, I guess. Look at it. He doesn't like it. Come on. He won't stand up. He figures if I sit down, she can't.
Alright, Suki. Come on, girl. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk, Suki. Come on, Suki. Yeah, you love this, don't you? Come on. Let's go for a walk.
Come on, Sass. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Let's go for a walkie. Walkie, walkie. Come on, Sass. Come on. Sassy. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on. Let's go for a walk. You want to go to your food bowl? Come on. Food bowl. Food bowl.